Hello guys, Gabitech here. Today I'll present you one amazing product from Philips. This is ProMix blender from Viva Life collection. This blender is one amazing thing that every kitchen needs, in my opinion. You can see that Philips is main brand, and you will never be lied if you choose their product instead any other one. This is very nice blender. At the same time, it's chopper and smoothie maker. I got it on very big sale from a store in Bulgaria, and it's amazing. Let's say the specifications. First, the machine is 800 watt, which makes it extremely powerful. This blender can make you cream soup, smoothies. You can blend, you can chop your hard meat, your almonds, your biscuits, anything you want. The technology that Philips uses is called ProMix. ProMix technology for homogeneous blending. These triangles here, they're specially made so the flow of the food will be homogeneous and nice in the place where you do your smoothie or your soup, and that way you have the ultimate velvety homogeneous texture of the food. This is specially developed by Philips engineers in Stuttgart. Amazing technology. Here, as you can notice here, when you blend with this machine, there is a protection here. So when you start blending, it's not flying everywhere like with any other blender. It's not like just everywhere soup in the kitchen. Here is extremely protected. This product has one feature called speed touch. This is, you actually choose what speed you want to mix with. With this button here, you press it a little bit and the speed is low. You press it a little bit more and the speed becomes higher. You press it to the maximum and the speed becomes maximum, the power of 800 watt. As you can see in the set, we see a couple of assets. Here you have the blending asset with the triangle ProMix technology. Then you have your personal smoothie on the wake up. You just blend and go. It's with special lid, anti-leakage lid, and you can notice here it's very nicely secured, and the plastic material is specially without bisphenol. So it will be even not unhealthy like any other plastic materials that other brands are using, because bisphenol is one very toxic thing that it contains most of the plastic stuff out there on the market. Here it's written like how many 100, 200, 300 milliliters. You just take this, close it like this. Here you put like this to seal at best. You take it in your bag and you're going. There is no chance to spill. Then you have this, the crushing asset. Here there are two very sharp stainless steel blades that can crush everything from almonds to biscuits, from very hard stuff that are normally hard to blend, like a normal chopper, you know. And then you have these two here, which are ultimate for making any kind of creams, cakes, sauces, and even dough for your favorite pancakes, for your favorite cake, everything. They're so strong and they're extremely durable. They are not like any other. It's not easy to bend them even. Extremely good. And using the 800 watt technology of this machine, it makes even the hardest dough. As we look off the assets now, I will show you within a minute how to make your own healthy smoothie, because these days we are fighting the human malware and we want high immune system. High immune system is something that comes with very good care for our bodies. We need to eat more vegetables. That's why we use our Philips salad maker. Then here are the fruits. You can make green smoothie or pink smoothie, every color you want. Just take the right fruits and put it there. Some people like milky smoothie, some people like other types of smoothie. For my smoothie, I'll use strawberries, blueberry, kiwi for vitamin C, because vitamin C is something very crucial. 1 spoon of honey and little bit milk to make the ultimate velvety creamy texture of my smoothie. Of course, I prepared little bit almonds to show you how the crushing acid makes them extremely powderish and nice for every cake or whatever you want to do with them. Okay, then we're ready to go. We turn on the product. Now guys, I will show you how we cut our almonds. Here, I forgot to say that it's extremely easy to maintain this machine. Okay, I think we have enough, because there you just go it into the streaming water, you wash it a little bit and it's done, because the coverage is from brushed aluminum. It's very easy to maintain, and also it's very easy to change the affixes. Here you just press this button and you take it out, and you can put, for example, this one. You press here and you take it out. Now we will start with crushing the almonds. Okay, we constructed the machine. It's done. Now we press here. Minimum speed, full speed. They're blend. Amazing, ready to go on your cake and your pastries. Now everything is ready to be used on your pastries, cakes, and everything. It smells fresh crushed almonds. Now remove these almonds and we're ready to prepare our smoothie. We'll move them into this cup. As you see, it's very easy to remove the knife. They're a little bit left here on the side. See, it's a nut and the nut has inner fat. Okay, exactly 1 cup of crushed almonds. Perfectly crushed almonds made by our smoothie. Okay guys, now it's time to add the stuff for my smoothie. I prepared them here. Here are my blueberries, my kiwi, and my strawberries. What a beautiful colors, green, red, blue, full with vitamins and amazing healthy taste. Everything you can dream about. I prepared my natural honey. You can notice it's natural because it's sugary. Normally the honey that has added sugar inside, the artificial one, it stays always liquidish. It smells real. Okay, and I prepare half cup of milk because I prefer my smoothie creamy and milky. Of course, if you want to be more healthy, you can change the normal milk with almond milk or coconut milk. Mine is regular milk. And now we will put the stuff. Making smoothies with Gabitech. The strawberry smells amazing. Now it's strawberry season, early one. Then we add 1 spoon of honey. It's hardened, so we gotta be careful. Little bit more. Wow, this honey is like frozen. Okay. It's very nice honey. It's obvious it's real. And then we add up our milk. And then we're good to go. Ready, steady, blend. The more you blend, you can notice that the pinky beautiful color became hyper fermented. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now we safely clean this. Everything this can be washed in the washing machine. I mean, dishwasher is also safe. Now we put this. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now we safely clean this. Everything, this stuff can be washed in the washing machine. It's I mean in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe. Now where to put this? Now our smoothie is ready. We close it. And we're good to go. It actually became very nice. It's like a milkshake, but with so many vitamins inside. It's very beautiful. I mean, I have never expected anything less from Philips. It's one of my favorite brands. You know, from the salad maker, from the air fryer, everything that Philips does, it just has a reason. Right now, I really like one soup maker by Philips that I saw on Facebook, and I'm thinking to buy it because I'm a soup fan. But with this, I'm extremely happy. The only thing that I didn't show you is how to make your own sauce or cream. But I think you're creative enough to have your own recipes in your mind. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and drink more smoothie. Stay healthy.